Hello everybody and welcome to my video on the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems and their effects on the body. My name is Colton Miles and I'm going to run you through a typical morning of mine and the effects that my body goes through. In the morning, I wake up about 9 a.m. and brush my teeth and get dressed for my morning. A typical breakfast of mine includes a Belvita breakfast biscuit and a cup of coffee. I make sure to eat carbohydrates before exercising so that my body can use those carbohydrates for quick energy. As we mentioned in class, caffeine before or during workouts can help with many different functions in the body. Some of those include stimulating epinephrine and norepinephrine, the hormones responsible for the fight or flight response. These can increase athletic performance. Caffeine can increase the body's ability to burn fat via lipolysis and also contribute to the breakdown of fat in fat cells. Caffeine may impact the motor cortex, which is a part of the brain that signals muscle activation. Also, caffeine has been shown to increase thermogenesis, which can help me burn more calories because my metabolic rate is higher. While exercising, the sympathetic nervous system sends out impulses to glands and smooth muscle cells that tells the adrenal medulla to release the stress hormones, epinephrine and norepinephrine. These hormones cause several changes in the body, including an increase in heart rate and blood pressure. A typical sympathetic response will lead to the pupils dilating to take in as much light as possible, veins in the skin to constrict and send more blood to major muscle groups, and blood glucose levels will increase. Muscles will tense up, smooth muscle relaxes in order to allow more oxygen into the lungs, and non-essential systems like digestion and immune system shut down to allow more energy for other functions, such as exercising muscle. And then after I'm done exercising, there's about a 30-minute window for me to replenish my muscle glycogen in order to speed up recovery from my exercise. The more intense an exercise is, the more glucose needs to be replaced in my diet immediately afterwards. To do this, I eat a banana with peanut butter on it to provide carbohydrates and some protein to replenish my body and to hold me over until I eat lunch about 1 p.m. While eating, my body changes to being parasympathetically stimulated, which has many different effects on my body. These include stimulating saliva production to aid in digestion, constricting bronchi in lungs, slowing heart rate, and increasing all of the following: HCl in the stomach, pancreatic enzyme release, bile for fat digestion, and nutrient absorption in the small intestine. Also, parasympathetic stimulation will increase urine output. And some of the takeaways from today's lesson are that our bodies are always being sympathetically and or parasympathetically stimulated involuntarily, which means that our body does them for us and we do not control these systems. And they are essential to life because it allows our body to react to the different situations we're put in on a daily basis, and that really helps us in staying alive and adapting to different circumstances. And that was a rundown of a typical morning of mine. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something. All right, have a good day.